Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you wedding guest makeup look which I have created for my sister's wedding. So if you want to know how I do it, so please keep watching the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's begin. As usual, I am starting with moisturizing my face, for which I am using moisturizer plus primer from Bobbi Brown. I am applying it to all over my face, then rubbing my fingers little bit to make it warm, then spreading the moisturizer all over my skin. I always take a while to massage my moisturizer and make sure that it is fully absorbed into my skin. Now moving on to the foundation, I am using full coverage foundation from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Natural. I have taken some amount on my hand, then applying it on my face using a wet beauty sponge. Next, I am using full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey, and I am applying it to my usual areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight, like my under eyes, my nose, around my mouth and to my forehead. Once I am done with the application, I am blending the concealer using the same beauty sponge. And I am blending my concealer just by dabbing in. Do not ever drag your concealer from its place. Now I am instantly setting my concealer using the loose powder without giving it time to crease, and I am kind of going to bake it for a few seconds. To apply the loose powder, I am using brush from Real Technique, that is RD200. Moving on to my brows, I am using a brow pencil from Wet n Wild in shade Dark Brown. I am only filling the sparse area in my brows so that it looks as natural as possible. Then brushing it using the spoolie to make sure there is no harsh line left. Then I am using a concealer brush from Miniso and I am highlighting my brow bones using the highlighter from Insight Cosmatics. Now I have taken the shade color from the palette and I am applying it to my crease using a small blending brush from Miniso. You can keep adding the color and blending until you are happy with the intensity. While blending, you need to make sure as you move outward, the color should be softer. Now I am using a flat eyeshadow brush and I am applying shade Visionary from the palette to my lid. I am trying to create a kind of cut crease look here. Then I have used the same blending brush once again to make sure both the colors are mixed and blended well together. Now I have used a black eye pencil from Faces Canada. Then I am smudging it using a flat definer brush and applying the pink shade to my lower lash line as well. Now I am using pressed glitter from Glam 21 and I am applying it onto my lid using a flat brush. Moving on to the contour, I am using cream contour from Stay Quirky and I am applying it to my usual areas like my cheekbones, forehead, jawline, nose and to my cupid bone. To blend it, I am using an angled contour brush. For my nose, I am using a small blending brush and blending it outwards. Now using pressed powder from Faces Canada to mattify the look, and I am in shade Ivory. To highlight rest of the face, I am using same highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics. It's in shade Champagne and I am applying it to my high point like my nose, cheekbones, forehead, brow bone. For the blush, I am using shade Coral Climax from Sugar Cosmetics and I am applying it to my cheekbones. And the brush that I am using is RT400 from Real Technique. Now outlining my lips using lip pencil from Color Essence, which is in shade Burgundy. For lipstick, I am using Lakme 925 in shade Ruby Rush. The makeup fixer that I am using is from Swiss Beauty. It helps to stay the makeup for longer. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. To finish the look, I am applying some bindi, sindoor, eyelashes and some jewelry. I forgot to apply the mascara, so curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I am using is Zoom and Woosh mascara from Colorbar. I am applying a good amount of it to my upper and lower lash line. So this is the final look that I have created. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you end up recreating this look, do not forget to tag me on my socials. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, bye.